5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers in Alabama. Finding local suppliers is a smart strategy for any dropshipping business. By working with suppliers based in Alabama, you can enjoy faster shipping, lower logistics costs, and excellent customer satisfaction while supporting local businesses. Whether you're focused on fashion, home goods, or specialty items, Alabama has some great options for dropshipping. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Alabama to help you grow your business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Alabama. These suppliers are perfect for anyone looking to source products locally, reduce shipping times, and provide top-notch service to customers. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our tips, strategies, and supplier reviews. Let's jump right in. At number 5, Birmingham Wholesale Furniture. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Birmingham Wholesale Furniture, a trusted name for quality furniture and home decor. What they offer: they specialize in premium furniture, including living room sets, bedroom furniture, and decorative items. Why they're great for dropshipping. If your niche includes home decor or high-end furniture, this supplier is an excellent choice for quality and unique designs. Fast local shipping. Being based in Alabama, they can provide fast delivery for regional customers. If your dropshipping niche is all about style and luxury, Birmingham Wholesale Furniture is a great supplier to explore. At number 4, Alabama Goods. Coming in at number 4 is Alabama Goods, a supplier focused on locally made products. What they offer: Alabama Goods specializes in handcrafted, unique items such as gifts, home goods, and gourmet food products. Why they're popular? Their products appeal to customers who value authenticity and local craftsmanship. Why it's great for dropshipping. These one-of-a-kind items help you stand out from competitors with mass-produced goods. If you want to offer products with a local, authentic feel, Alabama Goods is an excellent supplier for your store. At number 3, Hilltop Shop. Next up at number 3 is Hilltop Shop, a supplier offering a wide range of fashion and accessories. What they offer? They specialize in boutique fashion, jewelry, and accessories perfect for trendy and stylish customers. Why it's great for dropshipping. Their high-quality designs and fast local shipping make them an ideal choice for Alabama-based dropshippers targeting fashion lovers. Customer appeal. Their boutique aesthetic is perfect for online stores with a focus on unique, trendy items. If you're in the fashion niche and want to target stylish customers, Hilltop Shop is a fantastic partner for your dropshipping business. At number 2, Alabama Wholesale Socks. Coming in at number 2 is Alabama Wholesale Socks, a niche supplier perfect for clothing and accessory stores. What they offer: they focus on socks, hosiery, and related accessories, offering a variety of styles for men, women, and children. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their products are affordable, high quality, and perfect for niche-specific stores. Shipping advantage. Being based locally means faster delivery times for regional customers. If you're looking for a unique niche product with great margins, Alabama Wholesale Socks is an excellent choice. At number 1, Hannah's Candle Company. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Hannah's Candle Company, a well-known supplier of candles and home fragrances. What they offer: Hannah's Candle Company provides a wide range of candles, wax melts, and home fragrance products, perfect for dropshipping in the home decor and gifting niche. Why they're the best. Their high-quality products and strong brand reputation make them a favorite among retailers and dropshippers alike. Local advantage. With operations in Alabama, they offer fast shipping and excellent service for local sellers. If you want to focus on a profitable, evergreen niche, like home fragrances, Hannah's Candle Company is the ultimate supplier. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Alabama. Let's quickly recap the list. Hannah's Candle Company. Best overall for home fragrances and high-quality products. Alabama Wholesale Socks, ideal for niche clothing and accessory stores. Hilltop Shop, perfect for boutique fashion and accessories. Alabama Goods, great for unique, locally made products. Birmingham Wholesale Furniture, a fantastic option for high-end furniture and home decor. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business in Alabama? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.